Hey guys, happy weekend and welcome back to the channel. It's such a weird day today. It was like so good when I woke up and I looked outside, and then literally in 5 minutes it started raining. So that's like classic English weather. But I don't care, I'm literally being at home the whole day. I've just been lazy and procrastinating a bunch of stuff that's on the to-do list right now. And I thought that let's take this a chance and just make a recent video. If you are being lazy or procrastinating, just take this as your cue and just start cleaning and getting ready along with me. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I just have to clean the house first, get things tidy, and then the last thing we'll do is go out and get some stuff. Just look at this mess right now. We have to clean all of this, but first let me just keep all of this aside and okay, I got a little deviated. I started watching vlogs when I was having my tea, and I didn't realize it's already 12 and I have so much to do before I have my lunch. So I think I'm just gonna start with washing the utensils that I have. Coming to the next part, look at this desk. Oh my god, that's so random things on here. Let's start cleaning. Okay, so one half of the room is all clean and done. Now it's time for this half. Okay, so this table and the bed top is literally the two things left to clean, and then wow, I didn't believe I did it. I literally can't believe I did it. So just this and that, and then I still have to clean the bathroom and then sweep the floor clean, and I think we should be done. Oh my god, I did it. Almost done. let's get to that. Okay, so I just got these cute flowers and this glass jar yesterday. I'll link this down below. I got this from Flying Tiger and I got these cute flowers. I mean, oh my god, look at them. They're so pretty and they smell so good. And this one is like the perfect vase. I was like hunting for this small cute vase since I've been here in Norwich, and this is the one that I found, and it's so cute. It just fits the table here. It's like the perfect size, and then it comes with actually a lid, and I'm so glad I found it. I mean, just look at that. It's so pretty. The room looks so much better now, like so clean. This part was not in my list today to clean, but then now that I see it, I think I should just tidy things up. I don't think I have to throw anything out, but yeah, I do have, I think this bottle is empty, so I do have to just rearrange a few stuff because it's really messy and all the wires are just hanging around there. So I think I'll have to like properly clean this up. So let's do it first. So I just cleaned the dressing table unit that I showed you, and then I completely dozed off. I was not feeling well. I had like this bad headache and I was feeling so weak. So I just had my lunch and took some medications and just slept. And oh my god, it's like 5 o'clock right now. I woke up and I still have to clean some stuff. But then I just realized I still have to buy those batteries and the candles that I'm out of. And then I was also craving for a coffee. So I thought we'll just keep everything on hold. Just go get some coffee, get the stuff that I want. That's what we are doing. So let's quickly go out. I'm wearing a thermal inside, so I'm good with just a hoodie. And then it's windy outside, so I just threw on a cap which matches my bag and the shoes. So let's go. Okay, let's take the garbage with us when we're going. Okay, so we are back home. I've just tied my hair up because it's sweeping time and I'm already feeling quite hot. I just opened the window again and oh, let me show you the candles that I got. They are so pretty. It's just the purpose that I just want to have the small light over here when I sleep, and it definitely gives the warmth so I don't have to have the heater on always. So I just light the candle and it gives such a sweet light in the room, and I just love to sleep lighting a candle on. And these big candles have a problem that they just go down one side and the wax all remains other side, and then I have to like boil the wax, and then that's like bunch of things that I have to do again to like put the candle back. So I just thought I'll just bring the smaller candles that just go down all at a time, and then yeah, that will save me a lot of effort. So I just got the 2 small candles. I think they'll go for like a week, more than a week. So we're set for a few days now. So let me just show you them. So So I just got this one. It's the peony scented candle and it's so pretty. It's so sweet, just small baby pink shade, and I just love it, and I love the smell as well. It smells really good. Second one that I got is this. It's the linen, and I love the smell. It's so pleasant and just so good. Okay, let's get back to work. I feel so much fresh right now. Just look at me. I think my face does look better than it was before, because I took the medication and had a good nap in the afternoon. Maybe I feel really fresh. Let's quickly get that done. I did it all tidy. It's so good. It's looking so good, and literally everything on my list was ticked today, and I'm so proud of myself that I was productive, even though it was not really a day that I felt being productive. But thank you to you guys. If you're still watching, if you're still here, I really do appreciate. Thank you so much for being there with me in the hard days and happy days as well. So I'm really thankful to the family here on YouTube. And there's just one last thing remaining. So the room's all nice and clean. Now I just have to get myself into shower, just wash my hair, because it's gone so greasy and weird. So I just want to wash them. Okay, let's just do the one last thing. I'm all ready. I'm back in my PJs, almost about to call it a night. Just have to do one last thing. I know I keep saying this, that I want to do one last thing like 10 times in this vlog, I know, but I promise this is the last thing. I just want to do some skincare after I have my shower now. I just want to apply a good face mask and just relax for a while. I have these two face masks. I got this one is the banana flavor. I don't know, that was very weird of me to pick that, but it's okay. That's like, it says PS Sparkle Set and Slay, so I just like that and I picked it. And then I have this pink clay. I have never used this. I've always used these masks, so I'm kind of skeptical. I don't know, maybe I can just try this, right?